Namaste, I'm Jevin Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will learn advertising media. After completion of the lesson, we will understand what is advertising media. The most brilliant original advertising leads will be wasted if they are not presented through the right media in the right place at the right time to the right people. Hence, the selection of right media is important for achieving the objective of advertising. However, before explaining the focus which should be kept in mind for selecting the right advertising media. So let's begin this. The nature of product. First we have to learn nature of products. The nature of product determine the choice of advertising media. For instance, cinema, television, colors, and obvious choice for products like fabrics or toilets requiring visual presentation in the connection. Management should develop a product media match market requirements while selecting advertising media. The company's market requirement should be considered. When they meet these requirements, they lend themselves to good use. For example, specialized high fashion colored magazines would be the proper media to consume with the high income groups and sophisticated taste. Similarly, outdoors media would be appropriate when consumer action to be introduced induced at the point of purchase. Advertising objective is the advertising objective also determine the types of media to be selected. For example, the press is referred preferred press is preferred to project cooperative image, while radio and television is also relevant for product advertising. Distribution strategy. The advertising media should be compatible with the distribution strategy adopted by the company. For example, if the company is selling through middlemen who sellers wholesalers and the retailers, etc., then outdoor advertising media, duly supported by television, radio, and cinema, etc., may help to pull the products out of channel. Nature of the messages and appeals. The nature of advertising message appeal also determine the advertising media for a company. The media should be able to carry the messages with up to right persons in the perspective. For example, if time is essence of the communication, daily newspaper and radio may be the best choice. Mass consumption 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 items like soap, toothpaste, hair oil, etc., may determine television newspaper as the best selection. Budget. The budget available for advertising purpose will decide to the choice of media of advertising. For example, a manufacturer having comparatively large funds for advertising may choose television or radio or both as a media of advertising. On the other hand, medium or small size businessmen may prefer newspaper and magazine as an advertising media. It's up to totally on your budget. Competitor choice. A company should also take into account the wisdom of competitor media choice. Despite differences in advertising and objective and appropriations, it is not desirable to outright dismiss their choices. Generally, the advertising media used by competitors are preferred so as to make an impressive appeal for the product. So there are so many media calculations, media availability, size and nature of the business enterprises. Radio advertising. Today, radio has emerged as one of our major advertising media. It is provide a very large coverage of audience in urban and rural areas. Now, almost every family has a radio set in our country. Radio advertising in India was started in 1967 when a commercial services on Vivid Bharati was started. Commercial broadcasting is now undertaken by Delhi, Bombay, Madras, Calcutta, Pune, Nagpur, and Bangalore stations. All India Radio, Cyclone, and Ceylon radio commercial broadcasting is quite popular throughout the country. Commercial broadcasting is a major source of income today. Radio advertising is extremely popular with the both trade and industry as the demand exceeding the time. Radio advertising may be described as word of mouth and advertising on wide scale. The advertiser delivers the message orally and not visually. It makes appeal to ear and not to the eye, with the effect of the message conveyed to the message whether literate or illiterate. Advantage of advantage or merits of radio advertising. Advantages. Radio advertising is quite popular in India on account of the following advantage. Like it has a wide coverage, even literate people are covered under the media. It is convey message even to small remote areas. It's quite uh, it's quite flexible as it can be used on a national or local level according to the need. It gives messages to of the advertiser at the door of the prospects when they are in the respective mood. It easily catches an attention of the people. Today, radio advertising is major sources of income. It claims the advantage of memorizing value in the connection. Psychologist says that anything learned throughout the year is not easily forgotten. Radio advertising efforts Radio advertising affords variety of programs including entertainment on account on which the following is which is the goodwill is developed people buy the product advertised by radio, they enjoy the free show. Radio advertising has human touch unequaled by any other media. Disadvantage of radio is like radio advertising has the disadvantage like the message given by radio advertising is short lived. It is costly and beyond to reach of small and medium sized advertiser. It is only appeal to the sense of hearing and thus does not portray visually a picture of package and of the product. It is not suitable for all kinds of products such as industrial goods which are not needed by the average radio listeners. It is useful only for the good communication use. Radio advertisements are very brief and thus detail cannot be elaborated since there's multiplicity of advertisement in the very short time. It is most likely that the listener may forget the name of the product. There is no possibility of demonstration in case of radio advertising. Again, I will repeat this. Since there is a multiplicity of advertisement in the very short time, it is most likely that the listener may forget the name of the product. There is no possibility of demonstration in case of radio advertising. It is selective media of advertising. broadcast technology uh, by Edwin Howard Armstrong that uses frequency modulation to provide highly fidely sound over the broadcast radio. The term FM band is effectively shorthand for the frequency band in which FM is used for broadcasting. The term can upset because in the modulation scheme with a range of frequency. Internet advertising. The advertising facility has developed for some 30 years in actually began in the early 1960 in USA, where US Department of Defense saw it is as means of super computer communication for research and military facilities. I've already told this topic. So types of internet advertising is ads on the internet takes a variety of by forms. Most advertising on the internet can be classified as websites, banners, buttons, sponsorships, media, etc. Classified ads and email ads advertisements. First is websites. Some companies consider their whole website as an, however, the website is more than an ad. It is an alternative location where customers, prospectors, shareholders, investors, and other can come find out more about the company, its products and services. Some companies use their website like an extended brochure to promote their goods and the services. Others treat their website as an online catalog store conducting business right on the net. Still other websites act information had entertainment provides website typically pages that users can visit for further information. A page refers to the single HTML यानी hypertext HTML का full form. You know that what is HTML full form? Hypertext markup language file, which when viewed with the browser may actually be several screens long. A large website may have hundreds of these pages of information. This means site contains hundreds of different documents of various lengths, 1 to 10 more screens, each probably covering a different subject. Banners. The ad banners is basic from the web advertising. A banner is little billboard that spread across the top or bottom of the web page. At present, one comes across larger banner ads then can dominate the screen of even provides television commercial. When user click their mouse pointer on the banner, it sends them to the advertisers sites or buffer pages. Buttons. They are similar to banners. They are a small version of the banners. Those who look like an icon usually provides a link or advertisers homepage. Since they take less space than banner, they are less expensive. Sponsorships is a form of sponsorship on the internet that is getting popular in the sponsorship of web pages. Cooperation of sponsors entire sections of publishers web pages and sponsor single event for a limited period of time, usually collected in months of in exchange for sponsorship support. Campaign companies are given extensive recognition on the site. Sometimes an added value package is created by integrating the sponsor's brand with the publisher's content. For instance, a web page is on Olympics or some other sports can be sponsored by a business firm. That's meta ads used in search engine such like Yahoo, Google, etc. Met ad is advertisement displays on the result of page of search specific to the search item. Meta ads are the also refer to the keywords advertising. The methods of enable and advertising to target specific audience. Advertising can pay search engine to display their banners only when relevant keywords are searched for by a user. For example, if a user search for the item for the term handicrafts and handlooms, the meta ads displayed might be handicraft and handlooms item. These are the internet media. In the next video we will learn advantage of internet advertising. Thank you. So end this video. Thank you.